Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Android Studio on your Windows PC. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development, and it's a great tool to start building your Android apps. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to the official Android Studio website. You can do this by opening your browser and going to developer.android.com/studio. Once you're on the page, look for the big download button, which will download the latest version of Android Studio for Windows. Click on the download button, and you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. After you accept the terms, the download should start automatically. The file is in .exe installer, so it's easy to run on Windows. It might take a couple of minutes to download, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Android Studio Installer.exe file. This will start the installation process. When the setup window opens, click Next to begin. Now, you'll be asked to choose the installation components. The default options should be fine, so just leave them as is and click Next again. The next screen will ask you to select the installation location. You can leave this at the default location or choose a different one. After selecting the location, click Next. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. The installer will now copy all the necessary files to your system. This process might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a screen that asks if you want to start Android Studio. Go ahead and click Finish to launch Android Studio right after the installation. Next, Android Studio will guide you through some setup steps. It will download the necessary SDK components, including the Android SDK, Android Virtual Device, and other tools needed for development. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You can choose the standard installation option, which is perfect for beginners. Android Studio will also ask you to download the Android SDK, which is required to build and run Android apps. The setup will do this automatically, but it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Just sit back and let it do its thing. After the setup is complete, you're all set. You'll be taken to the main screen of Android Studio, where you can start a new project or open an existing one. And there you go. You've successfully installed Android Studio on your Windows PC. You're now ready to start building Android apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.